Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. I am actually on vacation right now. I am glamping, up in the woods. It's a good friend of mine. She's actually from this area. Let me see if I can zoom out some. Yeah, she's from this area, Quincy, California. Technically, we're in Kronberg right now at a bed and breakfast. That is really cool. Little cabins. And yeah, she's inside taking a nap. I'm out here looking at the latest stuff I just got. This I just brought up to read just while I'm up here. But these things came in just before I left town. And so I thought, hey, I will go ahead and do an unboxing while I'm up here. Well, these are more like reveals. So I have two new, what is it? Catalogs? Yes, catalogs. Chanel catalogs. And then one new item I've purchased from Fashionphile. You can see Chanel Groupois CC stud earrings. Vintage. You can almost tell it's like a vintage box because there you go. So anyways, I'm going to put that back there for now next to my Buzzball. Yes, we have a refrigerator full of sodas, diet soda, and Sprite. She only mixes diet soda with her to make her drinks, and I like Sprite with my drinks, as I like vodka-based fruity drinks. So we have a number of Buzzballs, and a colleague of mine, she makes this fabulous infused vodka, and we brought that up along with some moonshine that another colleague of mine brought back from a trip she took to Tennessee. Yeah, I know, we're old, but we're up here acting a fool without our husbands and just chilling. So anyways, this was just some reading I brought up just to do by the lake. We're going up to Bucks Lake either tomorrow or I think we're going tomorrow. So anyways, back to this. So pick these up from eBay. And this is a person, I believe he's based in Germany. And so I was looking on eBay and he had, this catalog. So this is, let's see, Chanel Paris Laundress. Is that London? I don't know. This is horrible. 2007, 2008. And it's interesting. I like it a lot. They left, I think it's almost like one they would have handed out to people who attended the event, maybe. So I don't know. Or I don't know what it is, but it's like a notebook. And it has all of the different looks from that year. Oh yeah, Devon Aoki, I believe that's her name. But what I really got it for, because they had some pictures from inside on the eBay site, was for the close-ups they do of all of the accessories. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? It's gonna focus. Shoot, that might be my camera. Let me see if it's my camera. Told you, this is low tech up here. Let's see here. Oh, it turned to the next same one. Great. No, it's still a little fuzzy, but that's okay. So you have the whole look, and then they focus on the accessories. Go to another page. Do you see? They have the whole look, and then a focus on the accessories. So I really like that, the way this one was set up. So, because, I love me some jewelry. I'll say this has that. So I'm going to have a great time looking at all this. This is going to be fabulous. Ooh, I like that. Is that the collar of the item? Or is that a necklace? Can't quite tell. No, that's the collar of the jacket, I think. Oh, nice. Anyways, that is that one. Oh, here's another one. That's nice. Ooh. Oh, yeah, here we go. The accessories. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if they did that. Is that part of the dress or if they just wrap necklaces around her shoulders? Either way, I love it. I like it a lot. Let's see if I can do a close-up. Nah, I'll do it over here. You like that? Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. Oh! So that's one. And this one I've had an eye out for a while now. Well, a while, maybe, it would have been almost a year, I think, actually. And I wanted this one because I have a couple of ready-to-wear pieces. Well, no, I have one ready-to-wear piece from this catalog, but there's other pieces that I want from this year. So I believe it's 2013. Let me see. No, 2014. Paris Salzburg, 2014-15. Collection Matière d'Art. And let's see if I can find mine. Should be around here. I think. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Oh, I know this one at Kylie Jenner. Let's see here. And isn't it just gorgeous? But my sweater should be, oh yeah, it should be coming up then. Because it was this part, I thought. Uh-oh. Where's my sweater? Oh, man. I know it's in here. I mean, I've seen it. It's just a matter of finding it. Let's see here. Gosh darn it. Well, you guys are getting to see what it looks like at least. On the inside. Oh, there it is. Just flipped by it. Oh, it must have been stuck together. No, not that one. Not that one. Oh, God. Let's see. Oh, I didn't notice the page. There it is. 32. So this is what I own. This. That, I don't know. Shrug. Shawl. Whatever you want to call it, I own that sweater and I love it. The detail on it, you can't tell. The back, it buttons up and it's like these pearl, they're just, pearl buttons along the back. Not like this. I mean, they're pearls and these are pearls, of course, but they're not quite this look. I mean, they don't quite look like this, however you want to say it. Oh, that's not clear at all. Why isn't that not? Oh, am I supposed to zoom? I'm special. Okay. Yeah, so it's not, the pearl button doesn't look like these pearls at all. But it is a pearl button and it goes up the back of this thing. Oh, it is so nice. It is so nice. I love it. So, this sweater, I would love to find these pants. I would absolutely love to find these pants. They're like cool out pants. I don't know what to call them, white like pants. I would absolutely love to find the belt and the earring and the bracelets. I'm not a big fan of this necklace. Not so much I'm not a big fan. I just know I would never wear it. And I absolutely would love to own these earrings. Oh my gosh, I would love to own those earrings. I love the shadows. It's gonna make it a little. Oh, there it goes. Now it's clear. I would love to own those earrings. So yes. So, basically, I guess you could say the whole look, except for the shoes. They can go on and keep them shoes. I don't want the shoes, and I don't want the necklace. But I would love to have the pants, the bracelet, belt, and earrings. Love that. So, it's just something to look out for. You never know. I got this from The Real, and I'm just going to keep an eye out for it. But the whole season is just beautiful. Let me see. There's another one. Oh yeah, that one's nice too, but there's a different one. Let's see if I can find it. No, I'll know it once I see it. I saw it. Gosh darn it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I haven't seen that. Oh, I like that. Let me see if I can get details. Oh, I like that. I'm in the woods. Look at that bug. What the heck is that? And it's coming near me. I know this is your home, but God, but you gone somewhere. Just go somewhere. Just go somewhere, please. Go somewhere. Yeah, just go somewhere. Me and bugs are not friends. If it's a lizard, if it's a snake, no problem. Bugs are not my friend. But I really like this jacket. Oh, something else to add to a wish list. This is pretty much like, I'm really into finding catalogs right now. I'm focused on vintage, 80s and 90s. I have actually a number of catalogs from the 80s and 90s, but I'm several catalogs from early 2000s, but I mainly have a lot from 2010 forward, and then a lot from 85 to about 97. So that's what I have. But I would eventually like to have the whole 80s and 90s. That's just the part of Chanel that I like the most. And years here and there after 2000, I do enjoy. But, you know, if the prices are right, I might pick up something after the 2000s. Or if it's something that I own, I would love to see it in the catalog. So, oh yeah, here's everything. Oh, okay, I know I've gone overboard. Not overboard, but this is just what I'm into right now. Jewelry and catalogs. So, those two things. And now for this baby. Yay! So, it's very clear. Chanel button earrings. And just without further ado, bam. Oh, they're turned upside down. That's not helpful. Oh, okay, so you can tell this is an older Chanel box. And this is from the year, let's see if it shows up here clearly. You're not gonna act right for me. Well, here's the earrings, now that you can see them. I was hoping, okay, it does zoom in. Let me get in on the year for y'all. 96P. So spring 96. Is that clear? Not really, but that's okay. Who cares? Not who cares, but you know. Let's look at the earring itself first. I love it. And I believe it's, ooh, I need some lotion. That's okay. I believe it's a stone, or it's a resin that very much replicates stone. But do you see the little, looks like the turquoise with black flecks through it. A little CC on it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh, they're so cute. Let's see if I can get this open. Well, I mean, I know I can get it open. Let's see if this stamp is a little clearer. That'd be a no. What is that, 98? Oh, maybe that's not 96, it's 98. Obviously, I can look it up. Does this go any? Oh, it does go closer. Okay, cool. Okay. Told y'all this is a low tech. Or did that say 93? No, that's 98. 98P. Yeah, 98P. There we go. Here's a close-up of my beauties. So, let's see if I can tilt this. So you can get a close-up look at them. They're absolutely beautiful. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Cannot wait to wear these. And I do have, I'm still into vintage, 80s, 90s. But I'm starting to slow down on vintage and get more vintage jewelry, I should say. And I'm starting to lean more into ready to wear, but just special pieces, things that are different, things that are unusual. Not like you know, a plain sweater. Even though I know the sweater I just showed you, you may think, you know, looks plain off the bat, but it's the detail that didn't show. The detail on the edge, the button detail, that makes it special. I'll put a link to my Instagram page where I've worn it to show the detail along it. So things that are a little different, or at least different to me, that are special. Picking up ready to wear pieces like that, and also just more color. I have a lot of vintage gold pieces, if not all gold, primarily gold. Individual pieces are primarily gold, so I would like more color. I just picked up an orange pair of Chanel button earrings at the beginning of this year, and I got this pair just recently, and then there's a couple of pair that I have an eye out on that is not in the budget right now because we're budgeting for other bigger things right now. But yeah, I have a nice wish list going right now. So anyways, this is what I've picked up recently. These beautiful earrings, and then new to me catalogs. So I hope you all are having a fabulous week, and I will be enjoying my vacation here for a few more days. We have 3 more days here, and then back to the salt mines, back to work. Oh, and just by happen, I went consignment store shopping. Look what I picked up. These are Ferragamo flip-flops. They're like 30 bucks. I love them. They're in really good condition. They're a little dusty now because I've been walking around out here, but just wipe them down and they're perfectly fine. All right, that's it. Until next time, y'all. Bye.